Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Glory Family Love. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, we do family vlog and lifestyle here. We show everything about lifestyle here, what we do, and sometimes we do reaction as well. We do a little bit of everything here, guys. So today I'm gonna be making my own braids, so I'm gonna be putting you guys through. I did record some video before I started this hair, but the format or the way I recorded it is not supported by YouTube, so I could not attach that to it. So right here, as you can see, I've already done a little bit from behind the hair, so I'll just be putting you guys through how I was able to manage to go through all the hair and make it myself, everything by myself. I also make my daughters on the same thing, so keep watching. Guys, I do make my own hair before, but not like this. I do make maybe cornrows or a little bit quick protective hairstyle, but I did not plan to make this. I didn't even imagine I would be able to pull this off, because I went to the shop to make my hair and I was billed. They told me 250 euros. That is so that was supposed to be 130,000 naira, I guess, in Nigeria. Naira. So I couldn't. I had to convert it, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna put that kind of money on my head. And my husband was like, no, babe, just do it. At least it's gonna last you. I'm like, no, just give me the money and I would figure it out myself. So sorry about the noise in the background. Okay, keep watching. So here I was trying to let you guys know that if I don't finish the hair like during the day, I will finish it when the kids are sleeping, because I keep getting up to make something to give them a snack, and sometimes they are, I don't know, these kids, why is it that it's only the time while you're busy and you need them to cooperate with you and not disturb? That's the time they are, oh my god, that's the time they are in need of your attention. That's the time they are just, in fact, I don't know how to describe it. So I keep standing up to give them snack, to tell them to stop making noise, and to make sure they are not doing anything they are not supposed to be doing. So I had them use their tablets. And play. So the little girl was disturbing the boy, so I told her to come join me outside to make my hair. But still, she was still disturbing. Finish eating, and here I am in the bathroom. We are in the front now. I'm almost done, guys. Just a little bit. I'm trying to finish it today. My kids are just whining, and oh my god, the days I need them to understand me, they don't. And the days I'm not doing anything, those are the days that they'll be cool and calm. Princess is crying. So guys, keep watching. Guys, I'm not giving up. This is where we are right now. This is the front. We have done 1, 2, 3 lines. I think we'll do about 3 lines before we get to the middle again. 2 or 3 lines. So that's the update I wanted to give you guys. going. So guys, it's officially evening. It's past 7. It's past 7, guys. And I'm just on the middle of the front here. I think I'm gonna do two line here, or 3 line, then I'll give the children tea, and then I'll continue till midnight. Or when I finish. So guys, this is where we are right now. We have just 6 pieces left. Oh my god, the hair is not much, but it's not heavy. It's just exactly how I like it. So I'm going to coil the tip tomorrow. Let me show you guys how I do these ones in the front. I will look for someone else to make it. So I looked for someone else, and the person told me I wanted to make Ghana weaving, and they also gave me a price which was more cheaper. But then I got the braids, I got my extensions, and I was like, I love this light weight braid that I make for a white lady during this summer. I made for someone. So I loved the hair, so I said I was going to make it for myself. So I started making it. He came back from work surprised. Like, he was like, babe, so this is what you were going to do? I was like, no, really, I didn't plan it. I didn't plan it. I thought I was going to make Ghana weaving. That was what I thought. So I didn't actually plan to make it myself, but I got the energy. You know, sometimes when you're feeling lazy, you're like, you don't want to do something, and you now feel like, okay, let me just pay and go and do it. And then you also think about, oh, how am I going to take my 3 kids to a salon to make hair? Like, where are they going to play? Who am I going to leave them for? So that's both the price and the comfort of my children gave me the strength to make it myself. So this is my own bread made by myself. Mom. I love them. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned. Help us to share, like. We love you. Bye. Stay tuned for our next video, okay?